Mercedes-Benz unveils electric semi with 310-mile range. The truck adds to Mercedes' growing electric fleet. You know what they got to do next? Electric Sprinter van.
Yes.
That'd be pretty cool. Huge battery system in it.
Solar panels.
Unbelievable. New EVs are hitting the streets at a rapid clip. This is true. The e-Actros long haul will offer a range of 310 miles and is set to enter serial production in 2024. That's a nice looking truck. Like, as far as trucks go,
it's got the DNA of
nobody followed me up on this.
Mercedes.
No, he looks a little bit grumpy. I can't help but notice the face. You know what I mean?
What do you want? You want it to smile at you? It's a big truck, man. It's got to be a bit angry. It's been driving for miles and miles. It's like kind of like get out my way a little bit. 40
miles and miles. What's the range on this thing?
310. I'm guessing, I mean, you would need a whole network of how to recharge these things at the rest stops and whatever. It'd be a little different, right, for a rig like that.
And is that 310 with like max load?
Are you happy with this, Mo?
This looks really cool.
Okay, it's just a different image without all the logos and stuff. I guess it's probably a concept, but
yeah.
Commercial vehicles such as semis and even delivery vehicles like the Ford e-Transit tend to work as EVs as their shorter, defined routes mean range is less important. The e-Actros long haul improves range, but 310 miles is still short of what a diesel semi can deliver. But it's true. They know exactly what their route looks like. They know where the stopping points are. Everything is navved up. And unlike people who are, what am I talking about? People. Everyday car drivers, where it could be a little more spontaneous. Like, hey, you want to meet down by the bakery? And then you're like, I can't. I got to charge. This is like Will's life. Will's future life.
His future life, yeah.
He's like, I got to charge. And then they're like, never mind. And then
it's still not decided though, right? Your future life?
No.
Okay, good. I thought maybe you knew something I didn't know.
Go ahead, Will.
I was just looking at this garbage truck EV. Love it. Amazing. You know how garbage trucks nowadays are so loud? Just everything about it, like the brakes, the way that it accelerates, the hydraulics, it's so loud. It's like it sounds
You
like
just
a
keep
garage
going
door.
with sound effects.
Who needs a soundboard? Who needs a soundboard, man? Yeah.
But I would like to hear this truck.
I mean, it's still going to be loud lifting these containers and stuff.
Right.
But yeah, it'll be a little more quiet for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good stuff, Will. Good stuff.